more accessory I have to show. So this one more accessory is those who are going for Rinjani, those who are going to go in a snow trek. This is a must have. Without this, you cannot complete the trek. Okay, so this is called gaiters. And also when you go to place where there are a lot of leeches, this will help you a lot. So this is called gaiter. Okay, so gaiter क्या करता है? What does gaiter do? Gaiter sits on top of your shoe like this. Okay, and you have a strap which goes below your shoe and you tie this. So what happens is essentially your shoe is protected and nothing goes inside. So what happens in Rinjani, or if you have a snow trek, the snow or scree goes inside from here. Okay, so you wear this gaiter like this. Okay, it kind of protects you like that. When you wear, if it is rain proof, yes. But I'll show you. Rain, I'll show you. There is another accessory I'll show you. You don't need this for rain. Okay, so if you wear like this, then it protects you in case of snow. If you want to walk in the snow, it will protect you. In scree, it will protect you. And somehow leeches also attack you here. So when you wear this, leeches don't come. So this is another accessory we must carry. There may be some snow.